the YouTube 100,000 subscribers Silver Play Button Award unboxing. And if you've passed your 100,000 subscriber mark and haven't received any notifications from YouTube yet, I'll give you some tips at the end on how to kickstart the process. I received something really cool this morning, so I thought I'd share it with my subscribers or anyone who's interested. And I knew it was coming because they'd sent me an email to expect it. But even so, I was really excited when it arrived. And you don't need to guess what it is when you get a box with a big YouTube logo on the front of it. Right, let's finish opening up the box so I can take a look at it. And when they send you the email to say it's going to arrive, they kind of encourage you to do an unboxing of it. I guess even YouTube channels that don't normally do unboxings would do this as well. And the first thing you see when you open the box is a kind of businessy card thing and a letter. So let's take a look at these. And to summarise the business card, it's really just the contact details in case the award has arrived damaged in the post. Which of course could happen because it was shipped from the USA to here in Britain. So it's had quite a long journey. And it's nicely personalised. Here they've put, this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So, thank you, Rick. Right, let's take a quick look at the letter. I won't read the letter out because I'm sure the vast majority of people aren't really that interested. However, I'll leave it on the screen for a couple of seconds so that if you want to read it, you could pause the video here and read it for yourself. But basically, it's just talking about the journey so far to this point in my YouTube career and then continuing on from there. Right, I'll take out the actual award now so I can take a look at that. And I'll speed this bit up so it's not so boring. I think they've actually designed this award to test the camera skills of the people who receive it, because it's silver with white text on it, and it's really hard to be able to get the lighting at just the right angle so you can actually read what it says on there. But it's very sexy and I can't wait to get it on the wall. The plaque itself is a brushed aluminium finish and it's quite heavy, and it's got a black cloth back so it doesn't scratch whatever you hang it or lean it against. And now to what's undoubtedly the most important part of this video, and that's to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel. Without them, obviously, I would never have got this award. And really, everything was working against me because I'm not natural when I'm talking in front of a microphone, and I don't like to show my face on camera. So the fact that I'm still making videos is remarkable enough, but the fact that I've reached over 100,000 subscribers is a bit of a miracle really. I guess it goes to show that there's a lot of YouTubers out there who aren't into gimmicks and personalities, but they want good solid information so they can learn the guitar properly. And I'm really thankful for that. So once again, I have to say thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. It's the subscribers who have built the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, as you can see here, it is worth subscribing. You do help channels stay on the air and grow. So thank you very much. I'll end this video with a brief section for YouTube creators who've gone over 100,000 subscribers but haven't heard from YouTube yet. And this is what I had to do in order to get their attention. If you look around the internet, it says after your channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, it's automatically reviewed by YouTube in person, and then they'll send you the award automatically. However, for me, and for many other creators, this doesn't happen. Now, let me put the proviso in here that they don't give the award to every creator. you have to have stayed within the YouTube community guidelines. However, if you're not aware of breaking the YouTube guidelines, you have to actually contact them and draw their attention to your channel. Firstly then, I emailed using the YouTube help, and I did this twice and didn't get any response to them. I think the emails are responded to using robots, because I just got forwarded to help pages that weren't very much use at all. And then finally, after going through loads of forums, I found someone who'd contacted them successfully and got their award. And how they'd done it was to go through chat with the YouTube creator support team. To find this, you go to Help, then you go to Creator Support Team, and then you go into the chat. And there you'll actually get to chat directly with a member of staff. And when I did this, from the chat they said, we'll forward your information onto the review team and they'll contact you via email. And this is what happened. So within a week or so of that original chat, I received an email with a redemption code and the link to the award website. And then within 3 weeks of that, the award was here. So if it's been a few weeks since your channel hit over 100,000 subscribers and YouTube haven't been in touch with you yet, don't be shy, just go down to the chat and draw their attention to your channel. It's well worth the effort. And I hope you find this information useful, because I know I could have done with it a couple of months ago. And that's it. So thank you for watching. And again, a special thank you to my subscribers, because without them, this channel just wouldn't exist. And I know it sounds cliche, and there's no other way I can say it, but it is true. So thank you. I'll end this video with a tune called Summer Nights that was written especially for the course. And I'm putting this in just to get the whole video over 10 minutes long, and that way I can reduce the number of adverts that go into it and I can control where they go. And if you want to learn how to play this tune, you'll have to start with the modes course, which is in the playlists on my channel.